complete motorhomes are not formally manufactured by Volvo under their own brand. It's likely a third-party conversion if you notice a 2025 Volvo Motorhome. A Volvo truck or bus may be transformed into a luxurious RV by a custom body firm. In keeping with Volvo's well-known design ethos, the exterior will probably have smooth surfaces, clean lines, and a sophisticated yet practical look. Volvo is renowned for emphasizing economy and safety. Aerodynamics will probably be considered in the external design of the RV in order to maximize fuel economy and lessen wind resistance. Volvo's iconic LED Thor's hammer design will probably be used for the headlights and taillights, giving them a distinctive visual identity. The characteristic will be the use of high-quality, long-lasting materials, maybe infused with lightweight composites for efficiency. Large windows will probably be incorporated to let in an abundance of natural light and breathtaking vistas. The large roof of the RV will be the perfect place for solar panels to support an electrical system or hybrid electric drivetrain. Certain ideas could investigate modular designs that enable the addition or removal of external components based on the needs of the travel. Outdoor gear and other equipment storage would probably be built within the body itself. The interior will probably take on a Scandinavian style, which is characterized by simple, clean lines and a focus on functionality. Each component shall have a distinct function and be free of superfluous decoration. Volvo's dedication to sustainability is well known. Natural elements like lightwood, premium recycled textiles, and eco-friendly leather or vegan materials are probably going to be used inside the RV. Neutral hues like gray, white, and cream will probably predominate in the color scheme, with delicate hints of natural hues added to create a serene and soothing ambience. To optimize natural light, expansive windows and maybe panoramic glass roofs will be incorporated into the design. At night, LED lighting systems with programmable color and intensity will provide a cozy ambience. Standard features will include high-speed internet connectivity to facilitate navigation, remote work, and entertainment. Like contemporary Volvos, the motorhome's entertainment system, navigation, temperature control, lighting, and power management systems will all be operated by a large touchscreen. Integration with smart home systems will make it possible to manage several interior functions with a glance. A top-notch sound system will guarantee a captivating entertainment experience. Smart storage options, multi-purpose furniture such as sofa that doubles as a bed, and adaptable layouts will all help the interior design make the most of available space. Induction appliances, an effective refrigerator, and thoughtfully planned storage are features of this contemporary kitchen. Beds with premium mattresses and dim lighting to provide the best possible sleeping environment. A quiet and effective hook system that provides comfort in all weather.